Hey guys, how's it going? How to filter matches by career on Elite Singles. Log into your account, go to the search icon in the match settings section, and then look for options labeled something like match preferences or advanced searches. This will allow you to customize your match criteria. Use the career filter options provided and check all career related categories that apply. You might be able to select multiple fields or specify particular roles or industries. And after you setting your career filters, make sure to save your preferences to apply them to your future match suggestions, and browse through the updated matches that fit your career criteria. And basically, if you find profiles matching your career preferences, initiate conversations by mentioning their careers or common interests for better engagement. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.